I once read a quote from a British philosopher named Alan Watts. He says that humans are a way of universe getting to know itself. We are the vessels that the universe has been utilizing to understand and to manifest itself to itself. And the way to do that is to inspire younger generations to pursue careers in space technology so that we're going to expand across this magnificent universe. Each different phase of the flight, I had certain objectives to check the health of each experiment and carry out some baseline data collection for the beacon experiment, for example, and make sure that everything was aligned and ready to go for the insulin pen payload. So I've been busy throughout the flight doing certain activities, constantly monitoring things. Of course, just fist bumping with my crewmates as well. But yeah, overall incredible experience. One very fun moment that I remember, the first approach of mine to the side window. Actually, Earth was down, but and the space was Earth was up and space was down. No, this is not the right orientation. I held on to it and just rotated myself. It was, yeah, being able to manipulate yourself so easily in that environment was so good. I don't think we had any issues in integrating as a unified crew, even though they were private astronauts and I was on the flight for a research mission. I think that didn't create any issues, and one of the reasons is they all respected the science deeply. They understood, right? What took them to space is science and engineering at the end of the day. If Virgin Galactic can achieve that efficient launch cadence, I think it will benefit the entire microgravity global community at large. The experiments that we have conducted on board VSS Unity will hopefully contribute to the space science and research both in Türkiye and also in the world, and hopefully enrich and enlighten our future for the next generations to come. To my team, thank you very much for all of your hard work. It means the world to me, and now it means space to me as well. Thank you.